At Omm Label, our core value is empowerment for every mother to feel confident to breastfeed anytime and anywhere. We're also about connection. We want our mom community to feel supported and a feeling of nurtured inclusiveness. And lastly, but still important, sustainability. With organic and ethically made garments that are trans-seasonal. And in these holiday seasons, we really want to remind everyone that we need to be more conscious with our buying power for our children and the generations to come.